Ready to ditch the guesswork and create the perfect adventure path? Let's dive into how to build custom routes in Basecamp. First, open up Basecamp on your computer, find the toolbar at the top, and click on the new icon. This usually looks like a paper with a plus sign. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Route. This will open the route creation tool. Now, you'll see the map. Click on the map to add your starting point. This will be the first point on your route. Each click after that will add a waypoint, defining the path you want to create. Continue clicking to add waypoints, following the trails or roads you plan to use. Zoom in and out, and pan across the map to get the details just right. On the side panel, you can adjust the route properties here. You can name your route, select the activity type like hiking, biking, or driving, and even choose a color for the route line. Need to adjust a waypoint? Simply click and drag it to a new location on the map. You can also insert waypoints by right-clicking on the route line and selecting Insert Point. For even finer control, use shaping points. These points don't appear as stops but force the route to follow a specific road or trail. To add these, select the route and then choose shaping points. Once you're happy with your route, click the Save button. Give your route a descriptive name so you can easily find it later, and there you have it, a custom-made route ready for your next adventure.